Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To download the plesk-installer, run the following command. Give executable permission to plesk-installer by running the following command. Then, run the installer. Hit F if you are using a fresh server or Q if you need to backup your system data. Go forward with recommended options and with the product installation. Next, you need to wait like 15 minutes to Plesk for be installed on your server. When the Plesk is installed, you will get the following output. Navigate to your Plesk web console and configure your login. If you don't have a paid license, you can proceed with a full feature trial license. This is how the Plesk control panel looks like from inside. To add the domain, click on the next button. Here you will get the following output. You can add like blank website. Here you need just to add your domain name. Also, you have the web space settings that you can configure. When the domain name is added, you will get the following output. Here you will get all information about your domain name. You can get a dashboard where there will be database, DevTools, and other information. Statistics. And many other features for your hosting. Next, you can configure your mail addresses, applications, like let's install WordPress for our hosting. You will need to wait some time for WordPress to be downloaded. Also, you can check the database statistics from the left menu. Tools and settings, that are very interesting options where you can get many tools for your work. Extensions, that's a really interesting also tab with many features. By using monitoring, you can use the free options to monitor your server. You can add users who will be work with your Plesk panel. Let's add user by click on the next button. Next, we will need just to add name, login, and other information. Next up is my profile, where you can configure your profile. WordPress toolkit. This will be if you install the WordPress. And the SEO. Here you can add some SEO options for your website. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.